Why do I hold on to things that never quite feel right? There's a voice inside my head that keeps me up all night. I pretend that I don't care, but it puts up a fight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Her eyes, just as beautiful as when I'm watching the sunrise. Think she likes me, but if I ask, it could be unwise. Played the possibilities through my mind enough times. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So hold me, stuck in my mind, helplessly feeling lonely. Wanting you so bad it makes my head hazy. I don't trust myself, I know it sounds crazy. Maybe I'm crazy, crazy for her touch. Calms a storm inside my soul, but it's been a build-up. What if she figures me out and thinks that I'm too much? Maybe I should open up, I've had all my doors shut. Yeah, 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 yeah. Snake eyes, do I tell it like it is or hide behind white lights? Make her fall in love before I take off the disguise.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Ananda Rendi Setiawan bin Mian Hidayah. Bapak nikahkan dan kawinkan engkau kepada Dede Solihatul Amalia, putri kandung Bapak Saca, yang walinya telah mewakilkan kepada saya dengan mas kawin perhiasan emas 3 gram ditambah uang Rp264.000 dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikah dari Solihatul Amalia binti Bapak Sate dengan mas kawin tersebut dibayar tunai.
I don't act like this with anyone else. Usually I can get out of myself. Bless your soul, I should be treating you well. I'm in love.